Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the object modeling using UML diagrams. Object diagram. The object diagram can be referred to as a screenshot of the instances in the system and the relationship that exists between them. An object diagram in UML is useful because it provides a clear and visual representation of a specific instance of classes and their relationship at a particular point in a time, aiding in understanding and communicating the structures and interaction within the systems. In other words, the object diagram is an unified modeling language, that is, UML is a diagram that shows the complete or partial view of the modulated system at a specific time. Here we have some object diagram notations. First one is aggregation, second one dependency relationship, third one composition, fourth one link, fifth one object box, and sixth one will be the association. First one, object or the instance specification. When we initialize or classifier in a system, the object we create represents an entity which exists in the system. We can represent the changes in the object over the time by creating the multiple instance specifications. Here we have the object name. Inside that we have classifier names and their attributes. Second one will be attributes and values. Inside the object boxes, the attributes of the object are listed along with their specific values. Third one will be the link. We use the link to represent the relationship between the two objects. We represent the number of participants on the link for each at the end of the link. Here we have the example for the link. Here we have the two object, that is college and then student. Inside the college we have number of students, city, number of departments and the faculty strength. For the student details we have name, department and the year. It connects with the link, it connects between that object college and that object student. Fourth one will be the dependency relationship. We use the dependency relationship to show when one element depends on the another element. The dependency is used to depict the relationship between the dependent and the independent entities in the systems. And then here we have the example for dependency. Here we have the object one as a player. In player we have the attributes like sports, that is cricket, gender, that is male, and then age, that is 23. Another object we have is that bat. Here we have details about the bat, that is mangoes. Weight of the bat will be the 1.25 kg and the height and then width. The dependency that we use it between that object player and that bat, we call it as dependency. And then fifth one will be the association. Association is a reference relationship between the two objects. An association line connects the two object boxes representing the relationship between the instance of two classes. Example, here we have the object of the order classes is associated with the object of the customer classes. Sixth one will be the aggregation. The aggregation represent the has a relationship. We use a halo diamond on the containing object with the line which join it and the contained object. Here we have the notation for the aggregations. The example for the aggregation will given as library and the book. Here in the class library we have attributes like location and the books details. For the book we have that title of the book and the author of the book and the pages of the book. The existence of the book object is independent of the existence of the library object. Seventh one will be the composition. Composition is a type of association where the child cannot exit the independent of the other. We use a filled diamond on the containing object with the line which joins it in the contained object. Here we have example for the composition. We have the object as a human, that is parent, and then another object is a leg, that is a child. Here we have the child object, that is leg, cannot exist without the existence of the parent object, that is human. Purposes of the object diagrams. The main purposes are they offer the detailed view of how the object interact with each other in the specific scenarios. Proper design and analysis of the application can be faster and efficient. And then last one, we have the benefits of the object diagrams. Here we have 5 benefits: detailed insights into relationship, implementation guidance, integration testing assistance, validation of code implementation. Fifth one, scenario illustrations. And then last one, how to draw an object diagram. Here we have to identify the classes, identify the object, create the object boxes, add the attribute and values, draw the relationship, label the relationship, and then review and refine. And the last one, use the tools for digital drawing. Thank you.